Hi, Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And today Knox and I are talking about capacity. Capacity is how much something can hold, and weight is one of the things that's part of capacity if you're thinking about the capacity of a boat. And in this little storybook called There's Always Room for One More by Ingrid and Dieter Schubert, there's a little beaver who has a boat, and all of his animal friends want to get on the boat with him. But is there enough capacity? At the very end of the story, they're all on the boat and it's getting very crowded. And Beaver says, "You're too heavy." And everyone that's on the boat sees Butterfly landing softly on the boat, and
the lap over.
It tips over and everybody gets wet. So now Knox has made his own boat out of tin foil. So the math idea here is capacity. And then he's going to use these marbles to see what is the capacity of this little boat.
It can hold it, Mom.
Yeah. How many can it hold without sinking like Beaver and his friends?
It might not even sink, right, Mom?
It might not even. Let's see how many. We got to count as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you might want to put some on this side this time. It's getting a little sinky on this side.
I don't want them to fall, right, Mom?
I don't want them to. Can you count out loud? 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh boy.
It's a lot, right, Mom?
I don't know.
8, 9, 10, 11. I think it's in there.
Yeah.
12, 14,
13, 14. Good.
15, 16.
So how many could it hold without sinking?
16.
16 it sank. So how many can it hold without sinking? What comes right before 16?
15.
15. Hey, I hope you'll give this Does It Float boat activity a try with your kids. Have a math positive day. Thanks.